Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have something fun today. My FabFitFun box came and I have been waiting to open it until I could do it on camera for you. And so keep watching so you can see what I got. Okay, let's get to it. So this is my spring box. I just got it yesterday. So very excited to see that. And yikes, I'm trying to open it here for you. And oh my goodness. So first off, there's a bunch of literature type things. Oh, this is just a postcard that you can send to a friend so that they can get started with FabFitFun. Got some stickers. And then, of course, the magazine that goes along with the box, which is very good to go through. Got some good articles in there usually, and then it also will outline what products are in the boxes. Every box is a little bit different. You do get a chance to customize, so you can pick, some of the things that might be in your box. And to be honest, I did that so long ago, I can't even remember what I picked to be in my box. But here's like the first couple pages of what's in the box. So I say that we get down to it. And here's another couple pages of what could be in the box. And we're going to get down to it and see what's in my box. And oh, there's another little booklet. Oh, more literature. More literature. This is HelloFresh, a little coupon they give you. This looks like it's a vitamin company called Nourish. So some deals there. Okay, so let's see what I pull out first. Ooh, I think I did pick these. Some beautiful little slippers. And I've been needing a new pair. So I figured since that was on the list, oh, nice and soft. Aren't those pretty? Very soft, nice cushy bottom to them. I love them. Those are definitely for me. And I'm trying to think of, let's see here. I wanted to read their description for you. Splendid faux fur slippers in crystal pink. Step into these cozy faux fur slippers for ultimate comfort. And they retail for $48. Wow, really? I got some coasters. I think, let's open those up, take a look at those. I might end up giving these actually to, I can't even figure out how to open it. Good thing I have my handy dandy scissors nearby, because I can just cut that little plastic bag right open. There we go. So, these are cute. They're called Bloomingville coasters. And we'll see what their description says on them. It's a pack of 4 of them. Kind of a straw and cotton combination there. 3D. Here we go. Woven seagrass coasters. Place your drinks and cocktails on these seagrass coasters with white cotton stitching. Wow, they retail for $35. My son and his girlfriend live in Florida. I think these might be cute for them. I might save them for them. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm glad I thought of it. All right, let's see what's next. There's a bigger box here. What's this? What could be in there? This is, oh my gosh, so cute. It's a cactus shaped drink bottle. I'm trying to open it up for you so you can see. Very cool. Drop that plastic. That crinkly sound's got to be annoying. All right. So that's really cute. My daughter-in-law, my son and daughter-in-law are in Arizona, and she likes purple. So this might end up going to her. It's very cute. Either that or she'll let my grandson, although it's not the right color for grandson, but he might like purple. Anyway, you can hold on to it like that. So that's really cute. Next, Tropical Trio. 3 spools of cocoa floss. Cocoa floss. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to open it up here. I wonder if this is like dental floss. Could it be? I think it might be. Or not. I'm not sure. Here are little spools. This one's in a little plastic holder. So these must be like refills. Huh. Let's read in the book. Figure out what these guys are. Cocoa Floss, where are you? Oh, here we go. 5C. This floss is woven with grime-grabbing fibers to keep your teeth and gums healthy. Retails for $28. Well, that's interesting. It looks a lot different than any other floss I have ever tried. So it's refillable. It's got the 2 other refills in there. Oh, at first it looked like it was really thick. I don't know if you can see. But then it does stretch out thin. It's very soft. Well, cool. A new floss. What do we got here? Grown Alchemist. Body cream. Cool. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Interesting tube. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's got one of those foil things you have to punch. And I'm not going to because I don't need a new body cream right now, but that'll be for the future because you always need more cream, right? Can never get enough body cream. And I want to try and find that thing for you. Oh, and that Cactus drink bottle, I want to give you the retail value. It says $28. And then the Grown Alchemist body cream in mandarin and rosemary leaf. Ooh, that sounds like it'll smell pretty. It is nourish and hydrate your body with a blend of potent bioactive ingredients. Retails for $26. So as you can see so far, and I'm not even all the way through my box, it's like more than made up for the price that I paid for it. And this is the next item here. Marina Earth Harbor Biome Brightening Ampule. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Looks pretty. Obviously a serum. Let's see what they say about that one. So 6C it is. This oil features spirulina and blue tansy to vigorously brighten and balance the skin. Well, that's cool. Right now I'm using a couple other serums, but that one will be really fun to try in the future. And let's see, it retails for $38. And then this is I guess that's what it's called. 3 reusable beauty rounds. Let me pull those out for you. Oh, there we go. Oh, those are cool. I guess, like, well, I don't know. You could use them as a powder puff. You could use them as a little wash. That'd be cool to take, like, on vacation so that you could wash your face with something small. They're very soft. Let me see what they say about it. They say, ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. Okay, so they're kind of like the cloths. I'm trying to think of the brand name now. It's escaping me. But I did get some makeup removing cloths that are reusable from Amazon. And they are pretty much exactly alike. The brand that is escaping me right now. Oh, shoot. I hate it when I forget things, don't you? But anyway, I will include that in. If I figure that, I will. I'll figure it out. So, yeah, that's cool. And last but not least, it looks like a tray. A woven tray. That's always cool to have because you can use it for so many variety of things. You know, you can use it as a little candle display arrangement. Let's see what they say about it here. 1E. Water hyacinth tray with cutout handles. Add a natural element to your home with this functional and decorative tray. And let me remove it from its plastic so you can see it better. This is so cool. And you know what? You could put candles there. I have shells that I've gotten on different travels I could put in there. So you could put a little candle, maybe a little air plant or a cactus, and yeah, I mean, really cute. Vase, maybe. Cute little tray. It's not that big, so it'll fit nice on a table, you know, just as a little accent piece. So that's really cool. So that's what I got in my box. There's so many other things that people could have gotten in their box. Some milk, a milk product, jewelry, stationery, packing bags. There was lipstick, brushes, an umbrella. an herb garden. Let's see. Yeah, indoor planter. And True Leaf Market Italian large leaf basil. So that was kind of cool. What else? There were some footies. There was a market bag. Some makeup organizer, tweezers, all sorts of things. Human and Kind lotion. That's a really good lotion. I've used that before. Actually, I got my first one in a FabFitFun box, and I liked it so much that I actually bought another one from, I think I found it on Amazon. Anyway, that's my spring FabFitFun box. I hope you enjoyed peeking in and helping me unbox it. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And until next time, ciao, my Bellas.